Hello, assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to discuss about e-portal, which is using in the Sindh University. So it's for the Sindh University students. First of all, I would like to tell that tomorrow is the last date for e-portal. Okay. So I wrote here e-portal, and after that you have to firstly make your user ID and this thing. Then you have to put on the sign up. Okay. When you will put on the sign up, then like this page, then you have to put your user ID which is come in the list, and then you have to put in sign up. So these functions will come. Roll number you have to put, CNIC, and date of birth same as you have put in your admission time. After that, select date of birth, mobile number, email ID, same, everything you have to put same. Then pre-admission test scores, which will come the 0, and metric examination marks and the passing year, then inter examination marks and passing year, on which year you have passed. Then you have to put on the request password. Like this I have put this detail, then I put my full of the detail, then I got it the password. Here you have to put new password, then confirm password. Then you will get like this page. You will click here to submit course. On the yellow, click here to submit course selections. Here is a written 15 to 20 is the last date. After that you will do this. You have to add subjects, then your automatically subjects will come here. Then you have to save and print this, and successfully user has been done. Then after that it's the last. Okay, thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.